But I can change it right now, right? The prison time instead.
Oh, okay. He wants prison time. He wants to go to prison.
No, that's okay.
Nope. We're gonna do prison time. Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Oh, no, it's happening. Plea.
No, that's either yes or no.
No, I mean, yes.
All right.
Mr. Martinez, in the offense report generated by the officer who investigated and arrested you, he identified you as Lorenzo Rivas Martinez.
Yes.
Is that an alias
That
of
is
some
my
sort?
brother's name.
Your brother's name.
He passed away.
So the person identified by that officer in that offense report is in fact you.
Yes.
Thank you.
All right. Thank you. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
I would like to, he needs to move his stuff out of his apartment before he goes to jail.
Your Honor, I just want to spend a little more time with my family. So,
No, here's the issue. And the reason why the court doesn't want to do that is because this really isn't a DWI third, because you've been to prison before for DWI
Oh,
third.
yeah.
I've never been.
There's what I have before me, whether he went to prison or not, I have him as having a previous DWI that was a felony.
I remember, Miramont just dropped the 4 years probation I have because someone lied about me. Somebody accused me of me pulling a knife. I've never used knives in my life. Took martial arts, Your Honor.
No, I mean, I'm just saying he has a felony conviction for DWI third. Am I wrong in that?
No, the conviction's there,
Okay, so I don't,
but you asked if he went to prison, which
okay,
Your Honor,
hasn't been to prison. The reason why I do not feel comfortable with him being on bond, one, he's using his brother's name by his own testimony. That's why,
Your Honor, that was when I was like 18, 19 years old. It's been a long time, and I told them to take that name off, but they never take it off.
Mhm.
I've never ever used that knife. You know, only when I was young, I was like 21 or 19 years old.
all right, I'm not gonna allow him to be on bond for,
And I'm being compliant with all the conditions. You have stated me, I go to AA, I go to pre-trial, I go to the healthcare services. I've been doing everything. And I've come up clean, I blow in that monitor 3 times a day. And I'm just at home, I'll go to AA and that's all I do.
my concern is for the community.
And I have my family there, Your Honor. So
You know, I understand. I see your family. But my concern is that this involved an accident and there's restitution of $2,000. He's pled to a DWI third.
correct,
There was an accident
correct.
and now he's pleading guilty and there's a prison sentence. So,
Well, the fact that he on his own has addressed his issue and accepted responsibility for it and has been going to how many, well,
AA,
AA
I
meetings?
got about 90 already.
He's already got,
where's the documentation?
that's what he was reaching for. He wants to do better. Your attorney, sir. Here. Thank you. He's been proactive so far, Judge.
Now I have 17 grandchildren now. Just want to build a plan for a block.
But can you name them all and give their date of birth?
Oh, no.
Oh, yes, memory.
I have 14 great ones too.
But can you name them all and give their date of birth? Okay, what is this a picture of?
His neighbor attacked his dog and.
My neighbor killed my dog. That's why I was going to my sister that night of the incident.
Mhm.
And then,
No, that was not the same day,
it was, and this is my little dog, so
but his
when I
neighbor's
played
been,
Tina.
his neighbor's been arrested for burglarizing his house and hitting him with a pipe and.
State, do you have any objection to allowing him to continue on bond for PSI?
I do not, Your Honor.
All right, so we'll be back on December 19th. All right, so here's the thing, Mr. Martinez. I can do one or two things with your case. One, I can follow your agreement, the 3 years in the prison, but I will tell you right now, if I were to grant your application, I would not feel comfortable with you being on bond during the holidays. So you would be at the Bexar County Jail. Felony drug court does not open up its ability to accept new people till the end of January. So if you want the court to consider an application for probation, I will, but that's what I would consider. End of story. There is no, but can I do this? But can I do that? that's the only way that I would consider giving you probation, because I see that your history is riddled with DWIs, right? 3 years prison. Maybe they'll help you with your drug issues with alcohol, maybe not. But I do know once you're released from prison, then there will be really no supervision. So those are your choices.
Can I show you some paperwork here? Look, I have attended college. Look, I was in a car accident. That's why I didn't finish my
All right, so
psychology.
I understand what you're telling, but I want you to hear me.
Yes.
You only have two choices. Either you're going to prison for 3 years. When you get out of prison, there's probably not going to be any supervision, or either you're going into custody today and felony drug court will review you for their program at the end of January because they don't have any room for you. I do not feel comfortable granting your application for probation and allowing you out and about for the holidays. So those are your only two choices. Either it's prison for 3 years or either it's probation with the conditions that I'm going to give you. So do you need to discuss that with your attorney?
So I'm gonna be locked up right now to win.
Oh, if felony drug court accepts you, great. If they don't accept you, then you're gonna go into some inpatient treatment.
And what about that mental program on County Court 12?
No, this is a felony.
This is felony, this.
Yes.
Well, I guess I'll take a chance in the county.
All right. So, well, when you say take a chance in the county, what do you mean?
Well, this, you said I'm gonna be there in the county jail, see if I apply for that probation, right?
Yes.
Yes, that's what I want.
So you do not wish to go to prison?
No,
All right, then counsel, I'll need you to fill out an application for community supervision and we'll go from there.
Yes, ma'am.
And if you all can change your plea bargain agreement to the state is silent.
Your Honor, I have a question. How long more or less will I be in there?
All right, so see, here's the thing.
This is what I'm making.
Let me just tell you something. This is what I noticed. I noticed that when people are looking at prison, they will say they will do anything not to be in prison. And then when they're given a chance not to be in prison, then they want to write different things.
Yes.
So, I mean, you'll be in there as long as they require you to be in there. That's how long you're going to be in there.
Okay, but I can change it right now, right? The prison time.
Oh, okay. He wants prison time.
I
He
really
can stop. He wants to go to prison.
No, that's okay.
Nope. We're going to do prison time. All right. That's what he wants. Could I see the paperwork? I know, to the family, sometimes people want to do what they want to do. So the court is going to sentence you to 3 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. There's a $2,000 restitution. There is a 2-year driver's license suspension.
You wanna get ready for the time I was locked up, right?
Yes, legally, I'm required to give you that.
Then you can go to test and now you're testing positive for alcohol. Guess what happens now?